Greetings, distinguished guests, teachers, parents, and fellow students. I'm deeply honoured standing here today as a recipient of the MindStretcher Special Achievement Award. My name is Zheng Yongcheng and I'm a Sec 1 student and studying in Chong institution. Being at MindStretcher for these past 4 years has helped me tremendously, especially the PSLE. My journey at MindStretcher started in Primary 4 when I joined MindStretcher for science. Then, in Primary 5 and 6, I continued on with English, Maths, Science, Chinese, and the writing course. During my whole journey in MindStretcher, I met many kind and encouraging teachers such as Mr. Ong, Teacher Monica, Mr. Ravin, Teacher Liu, and Liao Lao Shi. All of my teachers have always made class engaging. Whenever I needed help, I knew I could go to them even if it was for schoolwork. The teachers would also sometimes go through my school test papers to tell me on my weak areas so that I could revise them. The English and Chinese oral courses helped to direct my thoughts into better sentence structures. They also boosted my confidence greatly when presenting my best to the PSLE oral examiners. For example, Teacher Monica consistently gives me feedback on everything such as oral and how I can improve. She also corrected my casual writing style and gave us some good vocabulary for the writing course. Mr. Ravin and Liao Lao Shi constantly gave me feedback on how I can still improve more too. Teacher Liu also always makes lessons fun for me and goes through my school test papers on all my mistakes to improve on them. I would like to show my heartfelt appreciation to all of you. You have made a huge impact on me. Thanks to MindStretcher, I made a significant improvement in grades during PSLE. However, my journey was not so smooth sailing. Nelson Mandela once said, "The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time you fall." My grades were never the best. Up till prelims, I was still scoring around AL 10 to 11. However, I was persuaded by my teachers to persist till the very end and not lose hope. I studied intensively before the PSLE. I knew my teachers were there for me when I needed help. I was delighted to know when I scored AL 5 in total. As you see, my journey was never easy. However, I was persuaded to persist and not to lose hope. I would also like to thank my parents for not putting a lot of stress on me and allowing me to reach my full potential. Let us all remember the adage, it's always the darkest before the start of the dawn. Thank you.